Indonesian Parrot Project is an all-volunteer nonprofit organization with projects on Seram Island in the province of Maluku and in the Raja Ampat Islands in West Papua, all in eastern Indonesia. We help conserve endangered Indonesian cockatoos and parrots through collaborative work with the Forestry Department, the Department of Conservation and Natural Resources, the local police, and the network of wild animal rescue centers. Most importantly, we work with local people, many who have risked their lives to help us confiscate birds and to stop illegal trapping. We oversee the management of Kembali Bebas, a parrot rescue, rehabilitation, and release center on the island of Seram. Kembali Bebas in Indonesian means return to freedom. The center receives birds confiscated from trappers, smugglers, and the illegal pet trade. This is a Moluccan or Seram cockatoo. Seram Island is the only place in the world where these majestic birds are found, and they are very popular in the illegal trade. This bird is only a youngster, and it's still begging for food. Some will never make it back into the wild. The stories are diverse, but always sad. We received a confiscation of Seram cockatoos from smugglers that were packed into pipes. When they were shoved into the pipes, the smugglers broke the wings of several birds. Ironically, when they were removed from the pipes by the Forestry Department, several more birds' wings were broken. This is one angry cockatoo. He suffered severe head trauma when being trapped and has lost most of his sight. He is defensive and scared, and we at the Indonesian Parrot Project are doing everything we can so that crimes against nature like this can never happen again. The Indonesian Parrot Project works to provide sustainable income for local villagers to reduce trapping and smuggling by turning trappers into wardens and guides, developing medical and hygiene programs, bringing in ecotourism, teaching organic farming, and giving assistance to the local schools. We serve as a source of information about Indonesian parrots and cockatoos, reaching the avian community, zoos, conservationists, and pet bird owners. We are conducting scientific research to increase knowledge about the wild parrots of Indonesia. We will then apply this knowledge both to help conserve endangered parrots and to improve the welfare of parrots in captivity using lessons learned from observing their behavior in the wild. It is almost inconceivable to us in the United States the poverty and struggles these gentle people are faced with every day. By providing the villagers with jobs, a way to feed their children, and pride in their natural resources, we are not only improving their lives, but we're saving the birds. We know this model works, as we have been able to completely end trapping and smuggling in our project areas. Any donation, large or small, will be applied entirely to the Indonesian Parrot Project. Together, we can make a difference.